Hello, my name is Jana Vozel. I came from company SL King from Ljubljana, Slovenia. We developed a new solution named GisforCad. GisforCad is a new solution for using GIS data in CAD. We have developed a GIS web service that can be used directly in CAD to bring data in DWG. Like getting GIS web map in browser, with GisforCad you can get a GIS map in CAD. GIS map with layers, styles, attributes, and what is important, the GIS data drawn in DWG as standard CAD entities, polylines, text, blocks, hatches. King Prostor is a GisforCad cloud solution which allows users to access freely available Slovenian public spatial data directly in DWG. Data is land cadastral, building cadastral, orthophoto, public infrastructure, and many others, over 350 GIS data layers. GisforCad is a solution for enterprises also that manage and process any type of spatial data. For example, a public company that operates a water supply and a wastewater drainage and treatment system for the city of Ljubljana, or a public company that manages a pipeline and hot water distribution system, regardless of their existing GIS system, are using GisforCad for efficient GIS data managing through a CAD environment.